Hello, hello, hello. It's the coupon lady again, showing you the power of the coupons, the coupons. I know my voice sounds funny, don't it? But that's all right. Just trying to get a point across about some coupons, coupons. So, on here to show you another fantastic deal. Actually, they've been posting this deal online. I said, I'm going to go try this thing and see if it works. And we call this double dipping. If you don't know anything about double dipping, I need you to listen now. So, every once in a while, they have a sale, like a monthly sale and a weekly sale. So they have a monthly sale and a weekly sale on the L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner. So it's the shampoo and the conditioner. Well, they are on sale two for $8. Well, let me go back. So if you spend 30, you get $10 in bonus cash back. So you had to buy eight of them to equal up to, I think it was like I think it was like $36. Yeah, eight times eight. That's $36. You had to almost spend, not even spend out. Let me stop. You don't have to spend out no $36 for some, never no shampoo. No boo. But so there was some coupons in Sunday's paper, $4 off of two. This past Sunday paper. This is what I was telling you about. All these good coupons that was in the January 20th paper. So it was $2 off of four. So for two of these, you only pay $4. Okay, that's a that's an okay deal. I don't want to pay that much for shampoo, especially a kind of my grandkids really don't use. They use it, but they prefer Tresemme. They prefer that Tresemme. So I figured I would get this anyway because I need to wash my hair. Somebody need to wash their hair. I have a lot of shampoo upstairs, so like I said, you spend 30, you get $10 back. Well, double dipping is a monthly deal and a weekly deal, like I said before. So this sale was actually double dipping. So instead of getting $10 back, I got $20 back because the monthly sale and the weekly sale is the same sale, but it gives you different amounts of money twice, if that's how you want to say it. So instead, like I said, instead of getting $10, I got back $20. So I spent, let me see, I think I spent 16. Yep, I spent $16 and I got $20 in bonus cash back. So I can't spend the bonus cash until tomorrow, which is fine by me because I'm going to buy some lotion. I've been waiting on a great deal. So for eight of these, I only paid $16 and got $20 back. I had to break the orders up because at first I didn't see any. Oh, my ear hurt. I didn't see any more of the. Now the thing about it is you have to pay attention because if it doesn't have a two signs on there, then I wouldn't try it because these these are the only ones that I've seen with the double dipping sign. It don't say double dipping, but these are the only ones that I've seen with the two signs, a monthly sign and a weekly sign, and both. Well, the weekly sale ends on the 26th, of course, and the monthly sale ends on the 30th. So we got 30 days in this month. So it ends on the 30th, which is the last day. I think it's the 30th or the 31st, whatever the last day of the month is for January. February only got 28. So that's what this deal is about. So I earned $20 in bonus cash from buying eight of these. I have four. Which one is this? This is the conditioner, and oh, that's the conditioner. Oh, this right here. So that's the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. I don't know if anybody's ever tried these, but we'll try them. I try about anything on my hair anyway. Nothing really damages it. Not from shampoo. No, not from shampoo. So, okay. Well, if you have the coupons, go out and buy the go out and get the coupons. Uh, sometimes 7-Eleven has newspapers left over, but I don't know about this Thursday already. And by the time you see this video, it's gonna be Friday. So, all right, thanks for looking and happy shopping.